No architect can progress without a great portfolio. Having realistic renders in your portfolio is a thing of the past. It's the digital age and we need video animations to impress our clients. I have updated my architectural portfolio with the help of AI and converted old renders into stunning video animations. I did it easily with pre-installed AI video templates. Let me show you exactly how it's done. Open the Nim Video website, link is given below. Just sign in with your Google account. Once sign in, this page appears. Simply go to templates. Just scroll down to architecture and design. We have different architectural and design templates over here that we can use. First, I want to try out this drone flyover one. This creates a bird's eye view of our building. So just open the template. It's pretty simple. Just upload the image of the building that you want to convert into a video. Select the aspect ratio and click on generate. And after 3 minutes of generation, this is what it has created. Looks pretty impressive, I must say. The camera angle, the rotation, the transition, it's all pretty smooth. The back part of the building, I did not show it in the render that I gave it to the Nim video, but it has imagined it on its own and it looks pretty nice, pretty decent. It has used the same materials that it had in the front elevation. It has continued those materials and did a pretty decent job. I am not liking it that much as I could have designed it better, but as I didn't do it on my own, so AI has designed it for me and I'm satisfied with it. I might just crop the video, the first part. I think I'll use it till this point and not use this part as that is not my own creation, but I think AI has done a pretty decent job. Let's try another render, and this time I'll give it a corner elevation of the same project and let's see what happens this time. So this time I'm giving it this render in which I have the front and the side elevation visible, and let's quickly see what AI does with this one. So again, just upload the image, select the aspect ratio and click on generate. It's a pretty simple process, and again estimated time for generation is 3 minutes. So let's see what's generated this time. It has started from that original elevation and the drone is circling towards this side, and it has not imagined the back part but has imagined the side again. And I think I'm more satisfied with this one as I had given the original front and side elevations and it has imagined only one elevation rather than two. Again, the people moving around, the transitions, the movement of camera, it all looks pretty decent. Not as much blurry as some other AI tools that I have been using. And it looks pretty decent and satisfying. You can easily download it by clicking on this download button. Now we have some other options over here as well. We can upscale, add sound, edit the clip. Basically it is providing some basic editing tools for videos. If you don't want to use any other video editing software, Nim Video has pretty much covered it for you. Now let's quickly explore some other templates. Scroll down to architecture and design. There are different cool templates over here and I would like you guys to try them out. Some of them are free and some are only available in the paid version. These are the results of some of the templates that I have tried. The name of the template is given below so you can try it on your own. So the big question, what is the price for this AI tool? The starter package starts from $7.25 per month. But the problem with it is that we get a small watermark on our generations with this one. I would like you guys to go with the Pro version. It has no watermark and more credits, and you can generate up to 300 videos with it. And trust me, that's a lot. Let's explore some other architecture and design templates. I'll go with this urban context one. Hopefully it will change the surrounding context of my building. So let's try it out. Upload the image of your building. I'm uploading this image. Select the aspect ratio. Click on generate. I really like how simple this process is using these templates, and in 15 seconds the generation is complete. This time it has generated an image, not a video. I have an option to edit the image, or if I'm satisfied with it, I will just use the image to video option. I think I should just use this option right now. Now we have an option to type a prompt. It says, what do you want to create with your image? I'll say traffic and people walking on street and click on generate, and the video is ready. Looks pretty decent. It has followed my prompt. There are people walking and there's traffic, bicycles and everything. There's a parked car. The surrounding has changed. I think I'm pretty much satisfied with this. It's much better than the original render that I had, and I'll be placing this in my portfolio. So guys, Nim is not just a video generation tool. You can generate images with this as well, and I have tried out different prompts and generated different images using this tool. I'm just showing them on the screen. You can copy the prompts from here as well, edit them a bit for your own liking, and generate similar results. I have extensively tried out these features and I have been impressed by how accurately it follows the prompts and gives a very refined result. Now guys, Nim is not just all work no fun. There are some very cool templates over here as well. I like this celebrity selfie one the most. You can generate your image with any celebrity. Just upload your own image and upload a celebrity's image or just type their name. For example, Donald Trump. Select the aspect ratio and click on generate. Do give it a try. This template is free to use. And look at this one. The image looks so realistic, good enough to fool my friends. You can also convert it into a video, and the video is ready. Looks pretty fun. You can always make it better by changing the prompt a bit and keep generating some more options. Here are some other generations that people have generated with Donald Trump. Some of them look pretty damn interesting. So I'm sure you're gonna have fun with this tool. So guys, I hope you liked this video. For more informative content, please subscribe to the channel and try Nim via the link in the description. Take care. Goodbye.